So I want to welcome you out to my garden. I have been working here. All of this is going to go in the bottom of one of those new raised beds that I got from growing out the box. Thank you. But we're going to get this little bed here together. We're going to get it together today because I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to put in it, y'all. And I'm thinking it may be cucumbers. It may be cucumbers. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I need to go harvest a couple of vegetables. All right, here we go. All right, guys, I'm going to harvest my last cauliflower in the garden. Come on, mama. Let me get her up. All right, there she is. And here's the plant. Man, look at her stalk. This stalk is huge on it, girl. So let's go and get the Romanesco, the one that's in this 100-gallon grow bag. All right, there's the Romanesco. This is the plant she was on. This girl is thick. Yeah, baby. Thick girl. That was awesome. Yeah. She didn't want to come up, y'all. That's where she was or whatever. But I got both of them up. I have lots of onions growing in this bed. I'm going to take them up. I do have some kohlrabis in here. I'm going to replant them in another bed so I can let them grow. And I'm going to pull up these onions. Now, there's one more plant in this bed. That's a red Brussels sprout. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with her yet, so I got to think about it. But this bed here, this 100-gallon grow bag, and that 100-gallon grow bag is for onions. Now, I will be planting my onions in the month of January. So they got to come up. And no, I'm not going to replant them. They're too big. They're too big, and I'm not going to do it. But I'm going to harvest what I can harvest, and I'm going to let them go, because my onions is going to go there. But I'm not going to take those up in that bag until I'm ready to, at least a week or two before I get ready to plant my onions. It's going to be very soon, so, but I'm going to harvest all my leaves from my 1,000-head kale. That's what that is there. And I have lacinato kale in here and blue in here. So we're going to harvest everything we could eat, and we're going to take them down. Yay! But this is what we're going to bring in the house today. Cousins. Y'all cousins, right? All right. Let's get some of these blue babies. Let's get some blue kale. Yeah. So it is about, I don't know. It's after 3. That's what time it is. And time have went by so fast upon me until I didn't eat any lunch, right? So I am harvesting my blue kale. I have some chicken wings in the air fryer. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything on them. Maybe some honey, maybe. I don't know. But whatsoever I do, baby, it's gonna be funky. But anyway, I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. But I'm going to share it with you, okay? When it's done, I'll share my plate. All right? All right, guys. Let me get this kale. All right, guys. So this is my harvest, and this is the way my greens looked. My kale. Yeah, we still got a couple more harvests to go. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going in, baby, clean them up, chop them up. All right, guys, so I wanted to harvest some carrots, and this is the carrots that I harvested this morning. They're nice, so yep, I'm gonna bring these in. I'm gonna cook them with my meal. Yes. They were very, it was a fight to get up because they all was in one hole, but that's okay. It's okay. We're having well, right now it's early in the morning and it is a little gloomy out here, but I'm thinking that the weather will get better as the day go on. All right. So I have the greens in now and I am just getting them together. So I have cleaned them once, but when I chop them up, I will clean them again. Yes, but they look very healthy. They don't have any pest pressure on them. None. And I'm happy about that. Yeah, that garlic and onion. It does it. So, of course, as I start all my meals with fresh vegetables. Yeah, lots of peppers, onions, garlics. Yeah. I have the Trinity, and of course, in a minute, I will put the Pope. The Pope is garlic, family, just in case you didn't know. But I also have shrimps. I put my shrimps in, and I have olive oil that I'm putting in with it. And I'm just sauteing all of my vegetables. Now I'm adding my powdered spices, lots of Creole spices, and here is my freshly chopped blue kale. Yep, this is my blue kale. We're gonna see how she pan out today, y'all. We're gonna see how she tastes here today. But it cooked very well. All right, family, so this is my lunch. It's blue kale, shrimp, tomatoes, and of course all kinds of wonderful seasoning I have in here, right? There's some tomatoes I chopped on top. Yay! I have some bread. I have some punch. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Good girl. So, I was trying blue kale for the first time in a couple of dishes, right? I cooked blue kale with smoked turkey necks and smoked turkey wings. Today, I cooked her with shrimp. I wanted to know if I really want to grow this vegetable in my spring 23 garden. So let me tell you, family, I came up with a conclusion. I will grow this vegetable. I will. Oh, man. All right, guys, I'm gone. This is the way she look in the pot for dinner. I will grow her again. Y'all have a beautiful evening. I see you all tonight on the live. Later, y'all.